The Midwest is experiencing a series of wild weather that have downed trees, caused road closures, destroyed buildings, and left more than 100,000 residents without power. The weather affected 85 million people in states throughout the Midwest, with the National Weather Service calling it a historical weather day. On Wednesday, Kansas has been rocked by earthquakes, dust storms and winds that toppled semi-trailers. The National Weather Service warned that winds could gust up to 80 miles per hour in parts of the state, blowing down trees and power lines, and that severe weather could affect north-central and northeast Kansas. In Colorado, wind gusts reached 95 miles per hour in the areas near the foothills, and officials there also cautioned drivers to stay off the road. The wind is causing low visibility on roads due to blowing dust. Emergency personnel were responding to snapped power poles and down lines all across the region. At least 380,000 people without power throughout Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Missouri. In addition, a 100 miles per hour wind gust was recorded at the airport at Russell. Trees were uprooted and roofs reported blown off in that area.